AVerMedia has been NVIDIA's elite partner for a number of years, and have kept up with the various advancements in Jetson technologies. In today's video, we will be taking a look at both companies' offerings compatible with NVIDIA's Jetson AGX Orin, namely AVerMedia's D315AO 5G engineering kit and NVIDIA's AGX Orin developer kit. First up, let's take a look at AVerMedia's D315AO 5G engineering kit, designed for high-performance AI and machine learning applications. The AVerMedia D315AO 5G engineering kit comes equipped with a range of I/O options, including multiple USB ports, Ethernet, HDMI, PCIe slots, and GPIO headers. This extensive connectivity allows developers to interface with a variety of peripherals and expand the kit's capabilities to suit their project needs. Next, let's look at NVIDIA's AGX Orin developer kit. This kit is also built with the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin module, and is designed for AI inference and training tasks, delivering exceptional performance for demanding applications. The NVIDIA AGX Orin developer kit also offers a robust selection of I/O options, including USB ports, Ethernet, HDMI, PCIe slots, and GPIO headers. Similar to the AVerMedia engineering kit, it provides extensive connectivity for interfacing with peripherals and expanding the kit's functionality. Now, let's dive into the features of the D315AO 5G engineering kit. At the core of its connectivity options is a 120-pin high-speed connector tailored for MIPI SerDes cameras, perfect for enabling autonomous mobile robots functionalities. This is further complemented by support for two RJ45 Ethernet ports, one GBE and one 10G, allowing for simultaneous streaming for multiple IP cameras, ensuring robust surveillance capabilities. But that's not all. The D315AO 5G engineering kit also offers a PCIe slot for multifunction expansion, providing flexibility for integrating additional peripherals and modules. With excellent compatibility with Wi-Fi 6 and 5G technologies, it ensures seamless connectivity in a variety of environments. Now, let's take a closer look at what the AGX Orin developer kit has to offer in terms of connectivity and expansion options. First off, you'll notice an array of ports, including one 16-lane MIPI CSI2 connector, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, and two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, providing ample connectivity for your peripherals. Additionally, there is a high-speed 10 GBE RJ45 port for lightning-fast networking. The kit also features a range of headers, including a 40-pin expansion header, a 12-pin automation header, a 10-pin audio panel header, and a 10-pin JTAG header, allowing for further customization and integration with external devices. While both kits offer substantial connectivity and expansion capabilities, the D315AO 5G engineering kit is particularly suited for AMR applications with its focus on camera and network streaming, whereas the AGX Orin developer kit excels in providing versatile high-speed peripheral connectivity and extensive customization options. As previously mentioned, both the AVerMedia D315AO 5G engineering kit and NVIDIA's AGX Orin developer kit are excellent choices for high-performance AI applications. Your choice will depend on your specific needs. Whether you need a kit with a high-speed connector for MIPI SerDes cameras or a kit with powerful processing capabilities, both options are worth considering. For more information on the AVerMedia D315AO 5G engineering kit or its carrier board, and NVIDIA's AGX Orin developer kit, visit the links in the description or contact AVerMedia support. Thanks for watching and see you next time.